What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the Ringke Wave case for the all-new iPhone 10. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So today we're going to check out the Ringke Wave case, which is the first time I kind of moved away from their standard clear case. And this one here is a hybrid style case. It does have an inner TPU liner, which you can see here, as well as an outer polycarbonate shell. And it's kind of cool how they mix the two materials together on the back in terms of the design. It is available in a multitude of different colors. This one here is their rose. I wanted to try and pick up a black model for those of you male viewers out there. But for those of you lady viewers, here is the rose model. So one of the things I really like about Ringke is that their cases are very inexpensive for the price. Pretty much most of their cases retail for around $10, which is not bad at all for a high quality protective full-size case. Taking a quick overview of the Wave case here, you have an excellent amount of bezel protection where the TPU material wraps around the entire border of the phone. On the side here, you also have covers for your power button, volume rockers, as well as a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom, there are 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. And finally, the most highlighted feature of this case is the backside with a generous cutout for your dual flash and that cool wave design, hence the name, the Wave case. Overall guys, the first impressions on the Wave case is pretty positive. For the price, you really can't go wrong with a case like this. For around $10, you think a case like this would retail for over $30. It's a very well made and crafted case and also offers a good amount of drop protection thanks to that dual layer design. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case here, my only concern is that although I trust the case to protect the phone from drops, this thin plastic piece that goes around the border here, I would imagine if it ever hit there, it'd probably break pretty easily. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a stylish, inexpensive quality case for your brand new iPhone 10, you definitely can't go wrong with the Ringke Wave case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.